The first type we want to look at is called an assignment expression. And we've already probably used these, or we definitely have in this class, but anybody who's done any work in JavaScript has probably used assignment at least once. An assignment expression is used to assign a variable a value, or to put a value inside the container of a variable. Really quickly, we'll take a look at some code and see how that looks. Okay, so here are some assignment expressions, and we're going to use this code a little bit later. But if we say let a equals 10, we're assigning the value of 10 to the variable a. And then if I decide later to put a as a display value, if I want to see what's in a, I can do that. And I can see here that if I put a in the myanswer variable, I'm assigning a to this variable, and this variable is what gets displayed. So my answer, if my answer is a, then a, or the value of a, is going to be displayed there. Notice it doesn't say a, it says what is inside a, because that's what I'm really after. A just represents what's inside it. So if I change this to d, then that value becomes 13, because d, you can see here, is 13. Likewise, if I say fname, it will display my first name as a string. Okay, so that is assignment. That's an assignment expression. So an assignment expression typically has at least one variable, an assignment operator, and we can see here that it has a value to go into that variable. And what it returns is that variable as a value.